Hey guys, welcome to RPF Feed, and in today's video we will be covering just an introduction to Power Automate. In this session we will let you know what is Power Automate, what are the benefits of Power Automate, and how to get started with Power Automate. That's it. Very simple and very basic things. Okay, so let's get started with this. So Power Automate is nothing but just an online workflow service. Originally, or we can say earlier, it was known as Microsoft Flow. Now that has been rebranded to Microsoft Power Automate. So what does it do? It is a workflow service that helps you in automation, like automating your tasks between Excel or any like sending an email. What is the whatever is the process related work and rule based work you can automate using Power Automate. So in short, it's an RPA tool from Microsoft. So why Power Automate? Here we will like now the question you might face is there are n number of RPA tools. Why we need to go for Power Automate? Why to learn another tool, right? So the reason here is first of all, Power Automate is gaining popularity. Like earlier, it was UiPath Automation Anywhere, Blue Prism, and various other tools. But now Microsoft with their Power Automate are making their presence. So it's the technology. Um, Basically, it's like all of most of the system on which the automation or RPA technology works on are Windows system. So Microsoft is a brand ambassador of Windows. You already know that, and they have good access to all their software structure and the OS, right? So they can automate in an efficient way, and they can create some interlinking technologies and create some APIs, right? So using that, they can create their tool very powerful. So Power Automated is in is going in that direction. So Power Automate helps us to automate workflow between our applications and services like getting notification, collecting data, and much more. I'll let you know the business side benefits of this. So Power Automate helps you to improve efficiency, employee efficiency, because the task which you were performing earlier, it was repetitive. So the employee who was just processing it, that it was not efficient. Bot, if you create that in a script or an automated bot, it will be more efficient. It will run across 24 by 7 and 365 days, right? So it will have a positive customer satisfaction. Whoever for your client, if you're building this, it will have a positive impact on that. It will reduce your operating costs of the company, and there will definitely like there will increase in return of on investment. Whatever you uh, purchase the licenses, and that they will be like your returns will be more on whatever you are investing. It's simple as that. So getting started, how to get started with Power Automate? It's very simple. And guys, we are there are two versions of Power Automate. One is Power Automate Desktop and one is simply Power Automate. That's a cloud version. So in this video, we'll be dealing with the cloud version. And in my upcoming videos, I'll be covering the differences between the two and how to get started with Power Automate Desktop as well. So let's head over to Google Chrome. We'll hit flow.microsoft.com, and that will redirect me to the Power Platform. So right now I am already logged in. I have created an account. So it redirected me to the region. I had selected US region, so it redirected me to the US region's flow, right? So this is the interface, you can say. If you are selecting India region or any other region, your address, the URL will change accordingly. And you can create your account in this. It's free to use. You can create your account with a personal ID or with your work ID, and accordingly you will get the features to use. Okay, and now you can also use your Gmail or any other email to create this account. It's not needed. You need to have a Hotmail or a Microsoft account with that. So let's proceed. This is the flow. Here you get flows, templates, connectors, data. We'll see all these in upcoming sessions. This is just an introduction session. So from here, you can see the if I click on templates, you get a list of predefined or pre-configured templates which you can already use, which you can directly use to build your flow or bot, right? Let's go back to the slide. This is pretty much theoretical session, just an introduction. We are not going to see anything practically here because this is the starting point, right? And in order to create a flow, you can create a flow. After you sign in, you select the templates, which we already did right now. In the templates, you have this flow, right? You can use this predefined flow, or you can create your own flows as well. Now, yeah, this is just an information. Power Automate is a part of Power Platform that comprises of these four products: Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI, and Power Virtual Agents. So these all the um, comprises these all the products make this as a Power Platform. Okay, and so guys, that's all about introduction of Power Automate. In our upcoming video sessions, we'll be covering a lot more. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for listening. We'll see you soon.